I'm back again. Are you ready for me? Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tips.
Suck It Up Sunday.
Where you suck it up and you add a little health and fitness in your life. Now most of you guys know me as the military diet guy, but if you're new here and you haven't seen that video, you can click above and check it out. I guess I kind of become known for trying these diets for you guys. Why do I do it? Because I love you. And you like seeing me suffer. Well, today I'm back at it again with the lemonade diet, where it claims that you can lose 2 pounds in one day. Is it possible? Let's go find out. So the first thing you want to do is make your lemonade, and I recommend that you do this the night before so that you have it ready for yourself in the morning. All you need to do is heat up 8 cups of water. Make sure that you're just heating it up, you're simmering it, not boiling it. Squeeze in 6 lemons, add in a half a cup of honey. I am using organic raw honey because the enzymes actually aid in weight loss. I'm trying to do all I can to get the best results. And then you're going to add in a few mint leaves. I recommend breaking them up so that it exposes the mint flavor. Then you're going to stir it up, turn off the heat, and cover it for about 5 minutes just to seep in all of the flavor. After it's cooled down, you're going to strain out your lemonade into a pitcher and then place it into the refrigerator so it's nice and cold. And now for the rules. So what you're going to do is drink this 30 minutes before each meal. So that's 30 minutes before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then you're going to finish off your day by drinking this 2 hours before you go to sleep. So that's a total of 4 times. The diet also recommends that you drink at least 64 ounces of water throughout the day. It also tells you, for the best results, that you should only eat 1,200 calories. That's way less than the military diet. The military diet was about 1,400 and this is 1,200. So if you really think about it, what's really making you lose the weight? Probably the calorie deficit, but I'm gonna do it anyway. The diet also recommends that you eat lean proteins. I'm a vegetarian, so I eat plant-based proteins, so I'll be doing that. And it also says to stay active on 1,200 calories. How the are you supposed to do that? That's a little much. Maybe I'll do a few jumping jacks, but I'm not going crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna start my diet tomorrow morning, so I will see you there, which will be like 2 seconds for you. Good morning. It is time to start my lemonade diet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just weigh myself so I know where my starting weight is, so by tomorrow I can see if this damn diet works. Alright, let's step on and see what it says. Oh, it almost fell off. 150.8. Not too bad. And I'm also going to take some images of what I look like now versus what I look like tomorrow, just to see if any physical change happens. So I'm gonna pour myself a nice tall glass of this lemonade. I'm kind of excited to try it because I haven't tasted it yet, so I wanna see what it tastes like. Oh, that's pretty good. It tastes like regular lemonade. I could drink this every day, all day. Just for the record, I am not doing this diet because I feel in any way that I need to lose weight. I am just doing this as an experiment for you guys to see if it works. So haters, get off my back. I feel like I'm gonna get like heartburn from drinking too much of this today. Ooh. It is 9 o'clock now. I'm gonna wait till 9:30 and then I'm gonna eat my breakfast. All right, it's been about 30 minutes and I'm going to be eating an everything bagel with some cheddar cheese and some grapefruit. Now this whole breakfast is about 400 calories. I'm sticking to the 1,200 calories per day plan. The diet actually suggests that you break up your meals into about 5 or 6 meals. Today, I don't have a lot of time to do that, so I'm gonna try to do 3 or 4 maybe. I don't got time for 5 or 6. I'm taking this diet because you can eat what you want as long as it falls in the calories that you're supposed to eat for the day. I mean, I could probably had ice cream for breakfast. Normally I would eat a grapefruit, but now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if I would suggest it while doing this because it's a lot of acidity. I'm gonna have like major heartburn today. See you at lunchtime. All right, it's almost 12 o'clock. I'm going to have my second glass of lemonade. I have to tell you, I'm feeling a little bit bloated. I don't know if it's the lemon and the grapefruit that I ate, but I feel real full. The acidity's starting to get to me. I'm definitely gonna need a Tums after this. I have to drink this again. And then I'm going to make myself lunch. All I'm eating for lunch is a very simple salad with a serving of almonds and a little bit of oil and vinegar for dressing. I must say that this salad is well under 400 calories, which is the goal to stick to for every meal. I was actually surprised to find out that a cup of romaine lettuce is only 8 calories. Who knew? I guess I never realized how little calories vegetables really are. And they fill you up too. And I'm also drinking water. However, I don't know how you are supposed to drink 64 ounces of water when you're drinking all of that lemonade and it makes me feel bloated. I don't even want anything to drink, but I'm trying to force it down. I will say that this day so far is very filling. At least I'm eating food. I'd rather be full than starving. All right, I'm back and it's about 5 o'clock and I had to break out the ring light because it gets a little dark here in the wintertime. And I'm on my last, oh, not my last. This isn't my last glass. I wish it was. I didn't think I could really get sick of lemonade, but I really am getting sick of lemonade. As I've been doing this throughout the day, I've noticed that my body is retaining a little bit of water and it's very bloated. Maybe it's just bloating me now, and then when I sleep, it'll all just go away. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I didn't pass science. Done. All right, now I just wait 30 minutes and I eat my dinner. For dinner, I'm having chickpea tacos, and I actually made these on my channel, and if you haven't seen that video, you can click right above here and check it out. Now, these tacos are a little bit over 400 calories, but because I had less calories for lunch, I had extra calories that I could play with for dinner, so I took advantage of that. Delicious. I'm also continuing to drink my water. I haven't gotten to 64 ounces yet, but by the end of the night, hopefully I will. That's a lot of water. I'm kind of glad that this experiment's only one day because it's not a lot of commitment. I'm a bit of a commitment phobe. It's probably why I don't have a boyfriend.
Hello. It's
So good. All right, so it's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm just finishing up some work and then I'm going to head to bed about 12. So it's time for my last cup of lemonade. I did drink my 64 ounces of water that I needed to drink, but I've been going to the bathroom like constantly. I'm saying like every 20 minutes. I'm kind of glad that my computer is mobile because I just take it into the bathroom with me and I just don't leave. So if you're doing this, you need to really make sure that you have access to a bathroom because it's a lot of liquid. We'll see what tomorrow brings, so good night and see you in the morning. All right, it is the morning after the diet and I'm about to weigh myself. Here's hoping. And the grand total is, oh my God, 146. How did that happen? There's no way. I gotta do this again. How did I lose that much weight? I lost about 5 pounds. How the hell did that happen? I had a bagel yesterday. But it's true, I lost almost 5 pounds. I mean, really like 4.8, same thing, 5 pounds. Just gonna round it up. And you can actually see the difference physically because I am a little bit slimmer than I was yesterday. Now, do I think that this was 5 pounds of fat? No. I think that it was mostly water weight due to the bloating, and now that it's subsided, I kind of realized it was water weight. Now, I don't think that this diet is a lifestyle choice, but if you need to lose physical size in a day to fit into an outfit or you have somewhere important to go, this might be a little bit of an easy solution. There are some things that I learned. One, miracles happen. I'm just kidding. But what I did learn was to be more aware of the calories that I'm eating. Usually I don't even look at the calories, I just try to eat more whole foods, and then sometimes I eat badly. But knowing what calories that I'm consuming really helps me just maintain my weight in the future. So take it with a grain of salt. Anyway, that's my whole video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, make sure that you check out some of my other weight loss videos. I have a lot. And also make sure that you comment down below and subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so that you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Well, that was easy.